Well, thanks again for watching through. We've talked about how to build a page, how to use content components, how to build forms. Feel free to play around with our payments system as well as the blog. These are also easy to use and included in the sandbox to really give you a good understanding of how you can use our sandbox to create microsites, publish blog content, collect forms, collect payments, and manage your media. If you run into questions and you have and you would like to learn a little bit more about how the studio can be used, please raise your hand, reach out to myself or other members of the WebriQ team, and we would be very happy to tell you a little bit more detail about what you can do with the sandbox. And then really quickly, let's talk a little bit about this concept of composable, because this is ultimately a composable tool. What we have here on the sandbox is one version that is available to you to play around with. But realistically, all of these systems that we've already pre-developed and built, all of their designs can be tweaked and adjusted and changed to fit your brand, to fit your layouts, to fit your color schemes and font and all of those machinations. Similarly, if you need other content components, you want to see changes made, you love how it works, but could it do this? Can I compose the sign up content block to do this? Can I compose a brand new content block? And the answer is yes. The other fun part is this is API first, so we can glue other APIs into your WebriQ Studio and really compose other solutions. Instead of plugins, we use APIs as microservices. This is much more robust at scale. It's much cleaner code. It makes for much faster landing pages. And then because this is composable, we can also tie in personalization APIs, because again, all of your content is decoupled from the design. So design variants can be personalized from the edge of the network. Content that goes into messages, descriptions, buttons can be personalized from the edge of the network. Really, really cool what we can do when we compose this builder to fit your brand. So instead of thinking about the studio and how do I fit my brand into WebriQ Studio, how do I fit my business model into WebriQ Studio, it's the inverse. How does WebriQ Studio fit your brand? How can we compose WebriQ Studio to fit your publishing strategy, your go-to-market strategy, and fundamentally compose this studio in a way that fits your marketing mix, fits your brand, and the channels you want to publish to. So you do not have to shoehorn your brand into WebriQ Studio. WebriQ Studio is composable and can be tailor-fit to your company. Thanks again for deciding to play around in our sandbox and check out what we have to offer here with WebriQ Studio. Again, if you have questions, raise your hand. We would be more than happy to help you out. And as always, we look forward to hopefully having a conversation about how you can use the WebriQ Studio and how we can compose WebriQ Studio to fit your brand. Thank you very, very much.